Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the crystal crab in Fish It Roblox. So this secret fish is pretty much hard to find, and let me show you the best location and also the specific bait and rod that I used to get this one. So as for me, I got the mutation version of the crab, the moon fragment one. So I got this one under the purple moon event on the New Year's Eve. And if you want to know the location, you can just follow my guide in here. So first, on the Fisherman Island, you can just head into the utility store where there is Ron standing here. So as for me, I fish in here under these pillars right here. You can also go down if you want to, and here is the second location. And as for the road that I use, I'm using the ghost fin road with the singularity bait. So you can just try your luck and fish in this location. Hope you got the crystal crab on your own. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.